Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel. And if you are new, make sure you guys go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So the company that I will be working with today, you guys, is Luvme Hair. So the unit they sent over for me to try out for you guys today is their natural short curly fringe wig. And this wig is 200% density, you guys. Alright y'all, so basically I'm just showing you all what comes inside of the box. So I'm going to stop talking and just let you guys watch from here. Hey guys, so this right here is a user manual that tells you all about Luvme Hair. It also gives you guys an insight on FAQs that the company has, that people has for the company, should I say, and it also lets you know how to care for your unit and so forth and so on. Y'all, this is so soft, okay? Y'all, can we just give this hair the moment that it needs? Do you guys see how full it is? It definitely has luster straight out of the pack. I also wanted you guys to see that you do get 2 inches of lace, so that way it gives you that realistic look, okay, that we are looking for, honey. This wig is so simple, easy, and thorough. You guys just throw this on and go, okay? This right here is great for beginner-friendly women who necessarily don't want to take time to actually do your hair or something like that. So that basically leaves you with the option of just throwing your wig on and just going straight out the door, y'all. Okay guys, so basically what I'm doing now is taking the elastic band, putting it on the bottom perimeter of my head, and then I'm going to be placing my unit right on top of that as well. Alright y'all, so basically right now I'm just going to be taking my razor and just cutting a little bit off the bangs so it won't be as long. Alright y'all, so it's the bounce, it's the shake, it's the luster of the hair for me, y'all. This hair is so soft, so full. So basically, I'm just showing you all what it looks like dry before I go in and spray some water on this unit. So like I said, you all, this is a super easy quick and ready to go throw on type of wig, y'all. Beginner friendly. Don't have to do anything to this unit, okay? Just throw it on, and like I said, scrunch here, scrunch there, and go, okay? So I'm definitely going to leave all of Luvme information in my description, so you guys can be sure to check them out, you guys, and let me know what you guys think about this unit as well. So thanks so much, Luvme Hair, for sending me out this unit. I really do appreciate you guys so much, and I honestly do love this wig, you guys.